Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can withdraw cash from an ATM using RedotPay physical card step by step. Now, if you don't have a RedotPay account just yet, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up, and you are going to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free. Now, first of all, before heading to the ATM, you need to make sure that your RedotPay physical card has been activated. You can check that out by signing in into your RedotPay account and tapping on this card option. Over here you are going to see your physical card. So if it is showing you all the details and if the pop-up is not showing activate your card, it simply means that it is activated. Afterwards, you need to basically add funds to your crypto wallet because those funds are going to be used for the withdrawal. If you want to deposit the crypto, you can tap on the option of deposit, then you can select USDT, USDC or any of these cryptocurrencies. Afterwards, you can select any of these options in order to deposit the cryptocurrency inside your RedotPay account. Now, once you have this done, there is one more setting that you need to do before going to the ATM. So you need to tap on the card option and then tap on the settings option underneath your physical card. Over here, go to the security settings, and inside your physical card, you are going to see the option of ATM withdrawal. So you just have to simply turn the ATM withdrawal option on. If this feature is turned off, you just have to simply just enable it. Otherwise, the payment or the transaction is going to be declined. After doing so, you just have to do nothing but to just simply go to the ATM. Make sure that the ATM supports RedotPay cards payment network. Then you need to insert the card, and you can also use the contactless withdrawals if the ATM supports it. Then you need to enter your card pin when it is prompted. Select the cash withdrawal option and choose the account type if your ATM asks for it. Then enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Review any of the ATM fees shown on the screen before confirming the transaction, and collect your cash, the receipt and card before leaving the ATM. After doing so, you can open your RedotPay application in order to verify that the withdrawal was completed. You are going to see all of the information here on the transaction section, so you can check that out. So that way you will be able to withdraw the cash from ATM. So it works similar that we use the debit or the credit cards on ATM. You just have to use the RedotPay physical card in a similar way. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.